So today I'm going to show you how to sell your stock on your Charles Schwab account. We're actually going to do this through the app in real time. This is going to be through an iOS account, so just keep that in mind when we're going through this. Android might look a little bit different. So we're now sitting here on the main page of our Charles Schwab account, which you can see on the bottom left hand where it says accounts right over here. Now I just want to have a quick thank you for our sponsor Money Pickle. If you'd like to check them out, check out the link in the show notes down below. All right, so here on the main page, there's a couple different ways we can go about this, but the easiest thing to do when it comes to selling a stock you already have is going to be going through into the account that we have it. Now, here in our investment section, you can see we actually have a couple different investing accounts, and we're going to want to click on the one that has the stock that we have to sell or want to sell. So we're going to click on our individual account. And that's going to take us into this section right over here for us, which is in our positions account. And so what we're going to do is see the equities that we have in this account. Now we purchased in our last video our SoFi stock here, and we're going to want to go ahead and go through the process of selling this. So the nice thing about this is since we already have this in our account, we can actually go to the right hand side and see the three horizontal dots right over here. Tap right over here and you can see a couple different sections. You can see it says sell or sell all. So maybe in case you don't want to sell all the shares that you have, you can go through just the regular sell. But for our example today, we're going to go ahead and click on sell all. And that's going to go ahead and plop us back over here. This looks pretty similar to when we were going through the process of buying, but I just want to take you through a couple of these steps. Now, we did already click the sell all, but if you didn't, you can actually click it right over here and it'll populate the quantity section all together here. Now, our action is already plugged in for sell because we went through a quicker process for this, but if you tap over here, you can go ahead and switch this out if you needed to. And then if we go ahead and scroll down, we can see the order type is actually set to limit. We're going to just go ahead and do market. Again, for this example, this is just making things that much easier for us. The timing is going to be for today only. And then for the cost basis method right over here, you can see it says first in, first out. If you tap over here, you're going to see all the different options for you and what might work best for you. We're just going to leave it with the first in and first out. So if everything looks good over here, it's going to tell us the estimate amount that we're going to have right over here, which will be $6.48. And it says estimate, so it can be a little bit higher, can potentially be a little bit lower. So we're going to click on review order. It's going to take us to just the review page here. So this is not finalized just yet, so keep that in mind. And it will show you here the estimated commission, depending on what you're doing, as well as any exchange processing fees. You can see for ours are going to be completely zero there for us. So if everything looks good, we're going to go ahead and click on place order. And you can see right over here, it says order has been received. Right over here, you can also click on order status so you can check out and see how that looks. And you can see right over here that order has been filled, which means that fund has now been put back into your buying power. So you can go ahead and buy other stocks, ETFs, or anything else you'd like to do, as well as potentially withdrawing your money depending on your time frame. Now, if you actually want to learn how to withdraw your money from your Charles Schwab account, I got you covered. Check out our video right over here on screen to learn how to do just that.